Welcome to this video, which is the third part of what we titled as Beyond Boundaries. This is a comprehensive guide to supercharging your mind. In the first part of the series of presentation, we saw how the present age we have become slave to the rational mind. In the second part of the series, we examined the negative effects of over-reasoning. In this part, we will provide you some tools for negotiating this complex situation and how to overcome our psychological boundaries. Negotiating non-linear psychological boundaries can be a challenging task, as it requires to navigate complex emotional and cognitive landscapes, where every moment we negotiate an ever-changing landscape and all parameters of movement which are unknown to us, which are unanticipated. Here are some tools that can help in developing means and breaking down non-linear psychological boundaries and supercharging your mind. Number 1, self-reflection. Unless we know our own strengths and weaknesses, we cannot undertake this particular journey of negotiating non-linear psychological boundaries. So the first step is to examine your own emotions, thought and behavior and become aware of it. Self-reflection can help you identify patterns, triggers and areas of growth, and allow you to approach situations with greater sense of self-awareness. Number 2, mindfulness. This is a very common word now we hear in many disciplines, especially in spirituality. Mindfulness is nothing but practicing a concentrated, focused attention, which can help you stay grounded at the present moment, allowing you to observe and accept your thoughts and emotions without judgment or reaction. This can help you manage intense and overwhelming feelings and make more conscious decisions. And number 3, active listening. There's a clear difference between listening and active listening. When negotiating psychological boundaries with others, active listening can help you understand their perspectives, emotions, and show that you value and respect their experience. It is the role of the ego normally to supersede what you receive from outside for its own benefit. We have to negate that particular situation. So, active listening involves focusing on what the other person is saying, asking clarifying questions, and reflecting back what you heard. Number 4 is empathy. Developing empathy can help you connect with others and understand their emotional experiences. This involves putting yourselves in their shoes, recognizing their emotions, and responding in a compassionate and supportive way. This is very useful because the person who is giving you the inputs must feel comfortable that he is actively participating in a dialogue, which can be helpful both for himself as well as for the listener. Number 5 is boundary setting. Setting clear boundaries is essential for negotiating non-linear psychological boundaries, because you cannot try to attempt a overarching reasoning or solution, but we have to break down your own boundaries into smaller bits. Every non-linear system acts on linearizing certain part of the curve. This we can see clearly in control system. So setting clear boundaries is essential for negotiating non-linear psychological boundaries. This involves identifying what is important to you, communicating your needs and limits clearly, and asserting yourself when necessary. Number 6, seek professional support. We may not have all the support structure. So if you're struggling to negotiate non-linear psychological boundaries, seeking professional support can be helpful from those who have spent their life and experience in tackling these type of problems. A therapist or a counselor can provide guidance and support and tools to help you manage your emotions, communicate effectively, and build healthy relationships. These are some of the critical tools you can use in negotiating negative mental boundaries to become effectively contributing individuals in our lives. Thank you for watching and listening, and have a great life.